Canadian Armed Forces wield a formidable arsenal, blending cutting-edge technology with proven combat systems to protect the nation and support global missions. From tanks that crush opposition on land to jets that dominate the skies, artillery that reshapes battlefields, and naval assets that secure the seas, Canada's military strength is diverse and dynamic. Today we're counting down the 8 most powerful weapons in their inventory, ranked from 8 to 1, exploring what makes each one a force to be reckoned with. At number 8, RBS-70 NG Air Defense System. The RBS-70 NG is Canada's portable shield against aerial threats. This Swedish-designed short-range air defense system uses laser-guided missiles launched from a lightweight man-portable unit operated by small teams. It can take out helicopters, drones, and low-flying aircraft up to 9 kilometers away and 5 kilometers high, with its advanced targeting ensuring precision even in bad weather or at night. Immune to jamming, it's a reliable defender for troops on the ground, ideal for protecting bases, convoys, or forward units in contested airspace where quick mobile air defense is critical. At number 7, Sikorsky CH-148 Cyclone. The Sikorsky CH-148 Cyclone is the Royal Canadian Navy's maritime helicopter, a versatile rotorcraft that extends the reach of Canada's sea power. Armed with torpedoes and machine guns and equipped with dipping sonar, it flies from Halifax-class frigates or independently at speeds up to 254 km per hour. With a range over 700 kilometers, it hunts submarines, conducts search and rescue, and provides targeting data for ships thriving in harsh sea conditions. It's a vital asset for anti-submarine warfare, maritime patrol, and emergency response across Canada's vast coastlines. At number 6, Light Armored Vehicle, LAV 6.0 Infantry Fighting Vehicle. The LAV 6.0 is Canada's go-to infantry fighting vehicle, an 8x8 wheeled powerhouse built for speed and adaptability. Weighing 28 tons, it's armed with a 25mm autocannon that tears through light armor and infantry up to 2 kilometers away, plus a coaxial machine gun and optional missile launches. It carries up to 7 troops, hits speeds of 100 km per hour, and boasts advanced electronics for battlefield awareness. Deployed in peacekeeping missions like Mali and urban combat, it excels at troop transport, reconnaissance, and direct fire support in diverse terrains. At number 5, M777 Howitzer. The M777 Howitzer brings devastating artillery power to the Canadian Army. This 155mm towed gun, weighing just over 4 tons due to its titanium aluminum build, fires high explosive shells up to 30 kilometers or 40 kilometers with guided rounds like the Excalibur. Its digital fire control delivers rapid, accurate strikes, and its light design allows helicopter transport for swift deployment. Proven in Afghanistan, it's perfect for pounding enemy positions, supporting infantry, and dominating remote battlefields where precision and range matter most. At number 4, Victoria-class submarine. The Victoria-class submarine is Canada's silent underwater predator. These 4 diesel-electric subs, displacing 2,400 tons submerged, carry 18 Mark 48 torpedoes capable of sinking ships or subs up to 50 kilometers away, plus the option to deploy mines. Advanced sonar and stealthy propulsion make them nearly undetectable, ideal for covert surveillance, intelligence gathering, and disrupting enemy shipping. Operating in Canadian waters and NATO exercises, they provide a stealthy strategic edge in maritime defense and deterrence. At number 3, Halifax-class frigate. The Halifax-class frigate is the backbone of Canada's naval fleet, with 12 multi-role ships weighing 4,970 tons each. Armed with Harpoon anti-ship missiles, Sea Sparrow air defense missiles, a 57mm cannon, torpedoes, and a CIWS for close defense, they hit targets over 100 kilometers away and counter threats from air, sea, and below. Carrying a CH-148 Cyclone helicopter and cruising at 30 knots, they patrol Canada's coasts, hunt submarines, and join NATO task forces, excelling in maritime security, combat, and disaster relief. At number 2, Leopard 2A6M, main battle tank. The Leopard 2A6M, main battle tank, is Canada's armored titan. This 62-ton beast wields a 120mm smoothbore cannon, firing armor-piercing or explosive rounds up to 4 kilometers, paired with advanced optics and mine-resistant armor. With 20 in service, it's built for precision strikes on the move and shrugging off heavy attacks. Battle-tested in Afghanistan for route clearance and infantry support, it's a cornerstone of NATO exercises and high-intensity warfare, dominating ground battles with unmatched firepower and protection. At number 1, CF-18 Hornet fighter jet. Topping the list is the CF-18 Hornet fighter jet, Canada's aerial juggernaut. Around 80 of these multi-role fighters, based on the FA-18, scream through the skies at Mach 1.8, over 2,200 kilometers per hour, armed with a 20mm cannon, AM-9 Sidewinders, AAM-120 AMRAAMs, and precision bombs. With long-range radar, mid-air refueling, and agility for dogfights, they strike ground targets, engage enemy aircraft, and patrol vast distances. From Gulf War combat to intercepting Russian bombers near Canadian airspace, the CF-18's versatilities and reach make it the most powerful weapon in Canada's arsenal.